What go on?
There, you know.
Yeah,
Okay,
man.
no, you promised me come find you.
You couldn't say morning. The first thing you asked, but me still remember, man. No worry. But here now, I know me promise you, Kane, but you see this I know me can't get no 5, me only can get 2 giant.
Jesus and peace, Papa. Look how long me and your friend. Look how long me beg you, Ken. And 2 giants you can't give me. Make it answer.
You know say you're unfair though. Look here now, look into this. Remember say you have a man, you know. Remember say when me are looking at want me, you know. You know want me none talk say me I get 2 giant off of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 piece and me I get 2 out of it. Somebody else want 2 too. So you have to understand how it go. So you want the 2 piece of giant and you don't want it.
Of course, me want it.
You see how quick you want it? And when time me are looking, you don't want me. But alright, let me get the knife. Every day, me used to, when time you used to young, and me carry you go to school, a security man now come get you. I never see them in my life. Eh? And me used to protect you. So if you didn't want a security man, you couldn't tell me if you turn security and take me. But I turn security, you know. We notice that security get girls, but they always get bun. But you don't want to give you one bun, so you're really loyal.
Hello, left it there, so.
So
you grow my family a little bit, so left it there, so.
Yeah, but me I grow you because I want you. You think me a waste time grow if I don't want you? But anyway, still, in a waste time because you should have breed long time. Because if you look upon my jeans and I breed you. So me know say, in kind of, you know, make sure you not no gum.
You know, easy, you know, Papa.
That's how you go. When you can't get the grape, you say, we say it's sour. So, me not going to tell you about fear grape. Because, you know, you go. Because sometimes you don't get the grape, we say it's sour, but that's how you go still. You're nice and pretty, boy. I don't know what that the man deserve. You might take care of it, though. He not cheat by you.
You know, so me don't know, though. Me go on the same way.
Oh, well, you know.
So, Papa, don't me happy the cane for?
I'll tell you something. My mind change.
It's all good, man. Me I got me yard. Go cook my man dinner.
Bring piece of the breast. Miss Juliet. Yeah, man. I mean, a Popeye. I look up partner money me I call you about still, you know. Alright, send your son with it. Yeah, take $1,000 differently for yourself, different from the pot. Alright, thanks. Send it right now, you know. Right now. Alright. Want the partner money there.
Evelyn Mass Popeye.
No. Don't say Popeye. No, me not like the mask. It make me look like me old.
Alright then. Mother said to give the partner money.
Alright.
Alright.
Yes. Long time. Long time I want my partner money, you know.
Oi, Papa, no bother run.
I don't run me around.
No, man,
Come
come
back,
man. No bother run. No bother run. Don't bother run.
I don't run me around, me say. And that me they take up. If I clean, me I clean.
How long you owe me rent money? Around 7 months you don't pay me no rent, you know. And the only reason why you're there so long is because me and your friend. I choose me and your friend make you there so long. I want me rent money. And matter of fact, look how you keep the place dirty. I want money so I can fix up the place. Look how the house is broke down. Yard now keep clean and I rent you. What you do? Papa? What you do? I want some money, man. I want some money right now.
John, listen to John. I know, catch 7 months. I just tomorrow you go catch 7 months. You can't say 7 months. That's 6 and couple days. You only want 1 more day if you catch 7 months. We don't really have it. I'm broke, I don't get no money and nothing. Taxi right now work, everything locked down. Now I pay look riff raff. So instead of me I waste me gas up and down in our taxi work, you better me just sit down. Can't maintain it, plus the rent. Just give me some time, give me at least 5 more months. And me pay for the whole year.
Papa, me understand all the mumbo jumbo we are talking, you know. But me hear say you have much girl, you know. And me know say woman business not cheap. So, oh, you minding the woman the and can't pay rent. Me not understand. Explain to me. Explain to me how you have so much woman and you can't pay rent.
Let me teach you something, John. I style. Me just promise them. While them a do the spending in I mean, while I'm feasting, me I come with the money, them a spend for them money. I just say promise. It's just a style.
Oh, so I say you promise and trick me too, like how you trick them. Me all hear say you in Miss Judith partner, you know. Me hear say you in Miss Judith partner. So me not understand how people are say so much sitting by you and you can't pay rent. Me hear say you in Miss Judith partner.
John, I like that. When you get money, remember to taxi me, tell you say nothing now go on the road.
Alright, Papa, you. Me not quarrel with you, no, me a friend. And we know each other too long, so me not really want a friendship broke. So you just try to even get the money from somebody to borrow. And maybe check you back later and I do some
Later you check
yeah,
back?
me I go somewhere, me I sitting for go do you now. So later and I do up, me come back and check you for your money.
As in later?
Later, Papa, me not much chatting. Later me come for my money.
Why? I'm not sleep at tonight, you know. I'm not sleep at tonight.
Well, I wish me never have to go work, you know. I stay home with you tonight, you know, babes.
I'm gonna miss you, you know.
How was it? What was a little quick piece, eh?
Man, me not tell a lie, I best never have. To do it more often.
I come in tomorrow, no, you go. No, you go.
Yeah?
Anyways, I come garden people working on me. Yeah, I'm gonna come in and get some more still, but I think I'm going to double tonight because the boss that tell me from yesterday, say, I feel the double.
Again, babes? So every night you have to do double?
Which me I forgot this stupid work, you know. Anyways, later, yeah, man. Here. Alright. We shall get that. Later, here, babes.
Alright.
Alright, listen to me. Don't let nobody in. Close up the grill. Don't let nobody come in here after I'm gone. Alright? I'll see you tomorrow morning, alright?
Alright. Later, babe.
Okay, honey. Love you.
Love you too.
Popeye! Popeye! How is that? What am I going to lucky do and gone? Tell me say someone I really style. Yo, Popeye.
Yes, John.
Wait there. Me do right now, me there here that wait for you, know. Wait there.
You know, so me tell you the truth, John. Me there for Mandeville, you know.
Brother, you really gone all the way to Mandeville. Me tell you, say, me a come collect your rent money.
But John, me didn't know say they come so late, man.
Papa, brother, you have to cut out the foolishness, you know. You have to cut out the foolishness, man. Now me have me done plan and tell somebody say me a collect the money and then come take care of sit in the morning. But me a go tell this somebody say now.
Weekend, John, when they come down.
Yo, come off my phone, yeah, man.
Care.
Oi!
Come here now.
Where you say I going now?
Your husband gonna hurt me too.
Yeah, in their work.
Oh, big favor I want to ask you. You can't let me in. Please.
Alright, come in. Wait, ease up off that girl. Alright, come in.
Oh, you know, say, to tell you the truth, the key pop off in my door. And I can't go in the for the rest of the night. You can't just put me up for the night.
Boy, you know, say do. Would make you sleep over here, no, but I can't bother with the rumors. You go sleep over here, then them say me a car man come over here and then you go back in my husband's ears.
Can't nothing like that, man. A long time you're your friend. Plus your husband know that. We don't grow so. You can't follow people. People will confuse your brain. If you follow people, follow what your mind and your heart say. That's how they work off. If you help me, you help me. We can't sleep out of door. You don't make your friend sleep out of door.
I wouldn't make you sleep out the door. So come in.
Come on.
Right, you say you're asleep.
Why not in the bed?
You can't get room on one hall.
But we are friends. We can't sleep head and tail.
Right, you say you're asleep.
Alright, get one sheet. At least one sheet. I'm satisfied still. But I don't know. Because I don't know what difference in the head and tail. Alright, go on for the sheet. At least the sheet.
See shit here.
Someone knows me and you are a real friend, you know. You know, we are friends. Good friend. You have a good friend.
Alright, anyways, good night.
Oh boy. Chill out. Slimas.
Yeah.
Oh God. Boy, every time one ask me to what me do, because you know I keep up off in there and things. Boy, Slimas, you know someone of mine, if we could have get some breakfast. You know no breakfast one day?
Don't forget breakfast, Sam. I just wake.
Oh, I true that still, but I like you still, you know, from morning you study you do.
You know, some have my man already.
Oh. But not really bad with that. We can, you know, kind of on the side. Like when we work at night.
No, and you need to hurry up and go on before you come.
Alright then. We'll link, yeah? Later.
Okay, bye.
Papa,
Why I go on Ashley B?
what you do over Kerry yard?
I over them sleep last night.
You're too light.
God no. I mean, I do so, you see me? So you just make me sleep because you know my husband not do that at night time, so you need somebody for water the garden at night.
Me no believe you. You're too light.
God no. You know me not tell lie pan pum.
So hold on. Me can't believe that the one day. The one day just hard to believe. You sure? You sure you say I in a yard they turn up all long? Stop tell lie. Tell me truth.
Me look like an eyeglass girl. When me tell her something, believe me. Long time, you know want to give me feel. She give me. She needs somebody in her garden for water her garden where you wait upon.
Well, my garden well water, you're good.
You know, for
Why?
fret, man. They will floody. It's like hope to flood out.
Later.
All right, Ashley B. Yeah. What one? What
What are you doing unnecessarily?
You don't know that my ear this too.
No, serious. What are you doing? You look all happy. What are you doing unnecessarily?
You know, say I don't care you had me sleep.
Don't care?
You man and me and I sleep now.
No, come again.
No, for real. I'm here and I sleep now. Get it. Me even-
They are going to accept me either. The girl have her man, you know.
Yo, me say, whether I have a man or I have a man, I'm here and I sleep at night time, man, work at night.
Say sleep over the last night?
Not only sleep, I'll sleep in her bed with her, give her some of them. You see me?
Say you're going so happy. I don't believe her now, brother.
Yo, me say, brother.
Some man is over there?
No, but she wake me up time to go on before a man come. So I just hurry up, jump out of bed and, you know, come out, quick and fast.
Yo,
Hey,
how you so lucky, brother?
yo, me say, our property a gold.
She,
What you mean? You waste time.
she said something. Say a word.
I might get to that, you know. You come on.
Do your thing, man. But there's a drink called I want juice, man. Isn't it?
Alright, that's nothing. And that's why kids them can't get the juice. Go and drink your vitamin.
Better than soda.
Cho.
What go on, care?
Morning.
What you going with?
Not going with nothing.
See, you can't give me some of your breakfast.
Oh, you can't beg, so.
No, man. I really want breakfast still. You know, say you want still.
Boy, you and your friend, Papa. I don't actually grow me, you know. And you know, so me have a man already.
The school, man. You know, say every woman always say a man with them like, you know. You see? So your man there?
You really ask me, my man there? You know when you work already, you know say my security in the double and in the coming in yet.
So you see it? That's how I come to know. Him gonna secure other people's place. So I'm not secure for him property, man.
No, so you can't secure this a property here. One man property this.
Watch nothing, man. You see her around still, yeah?
Alright, later.
Just go and take care of her good.
Okay.
Seems like everybody's breaking up, throwing their love away. Sing about it.
How go on?
Why for you know?
No, wait.
No, you know something just you love the last one. You know I'm glad to see you. And I know say one Popeye. Me see him come out.
I know exactly what you're going to tell me, you know. Can buck me up down the sun and tell me the same thing. But carry down.
You know something I don't believe him?
I don't believe him neither, you know. But
One liar boy.
me no put nothing past no man nor no woman, you know. Is it?
Me put it past him and lie and tell him mix him want mix up him man and him man. Your woman married, you know? A married woman.
Okay.
You have your husband.
Remember say, you know, when the man gone to work, you know, my security, you know, I feel one night that, you know where can go on over there.
Remember saying the dollar child for me, you know? And I spread rumors and I chat about this and that, you know?
So, tell me the truth now. Which man will try to fire? Where you talk, sir?
All that too, but not tell no lie.
See, all the nail almost dropped me. But anyways, I can't go down and know because I did tell one day say I do double and I cover for somebody. So I wonder how I'm not reaching it, but I can't go down here.
I'm in the business with that young man, you know. So give me a thing before you go, you know.
Babes, watch out, man. Stop going like you don't know this. I know this. I know see a fortnightly I get paid. I'm not get paid yet. But last night they good too, you know.
I feel style that too, you know. But now you say you have to come hurry up and go. Because my man gone from last night and saying Sue come in. So hurry up and go on.
Alright, so we shall get it here. Alright, sister. Alright, we should
Yeah man, brother.
prayer meeting later. Alright? Prayer meeting later.
Alright. Yo!
Forward.
How which breeze blow you? You pop on me yard, so.
You know hear Wagwan?
Wagwan.
Popeye,
Mm-hmm.
they with care. I'll breed him thing.
What you say?
What me I say? Say you know hear enough information touring nothing so saguron.
Remember say, you know, me not too go nowhere, you know. So, I know me house me there, so me not too go nowhere, so me not hear nothing. So, what you say? In breed the girl?
Yes. Good breed. Good breeding.
No, so.
Hey, you know say I want a wicked boy and he should do that. Almost I got tumble down upon him. Gone in a married people relationship. All the girl work list too.
Hey, that's why I say, oh, me no want nothing to do with no married man, because me no want no destruction come fall upon me.
He having good husband.
Mm-hmm.
The man nice.
And the man love him, you know. Me never hear so that the man they give him bonnet.
Can I say?
A wicked girl that man. My God. Thanks for your update still. If I never you know a thing.
Okay. Me
yeah.
a cut. If me hear nothing more, you will know.
Yeah, man. My God. Then girl are not easy, sir.
You need to fix one nice little pavement. So
Yeah, man. Me I work panny. So me I put up something there already.
All right.
Yeah, man, what up, man? Bombat!
How go, man?
Yeah, I go on with.
There, man.
Think now, man, where you come from?
They are moving. I want split and go get them forward.
So, give me peace now.
I want a little 50 bag, man. I want a little, see them bill a piece and I want a little be in the piece left. You see?
Jaja. And I hope me I come in from tired to you, man, because last night I do double extra shift last night.
Say if you're just tired and do so much shift, you know, it's a rest if you go home, man. Go all asleep, man.
Yo, that me I go in go do you know for
You
3
know, say I got that me go do to car. Last night me up off a Sleepover star, stay up on a base. You know, wait upon some things. You see me right now, I'm tired youth. No sleep, me not even sleep. Yo, so we link up, man.
Alright, me there I go now, man. So, yo.
I say I would.
Then I say I go, my boss. Where I go? I say I go.
You want bet?
Alright.
Where I go, babe?
You know, say I don't shop this on me I go.
Oh.
What me think you that come in from last night? Do I want him?
You know, say, I think them mum for go call it star. Them have a delay upon it star. So me just sleep over and know say, yo, me I wait upon it in the morning, you see me?
But they could have at least call me.
Yeah, me WhatsApp you before my phone dead, you know.
Oh, you know, say me see message, but through me drop asleep.
So where I go buy?
I something me buy for cooking, you know. But 10 Tory in one. You know, you say Popeye breed care.
Where I say? Where I say? It just make me believe now. So much people are talk about it. Go and go do what you do. Me I hope I had.
Alright.
Oh, yeah.
Me soon come.
Yeah, man.
Hi, honey.
Evening. Oh God. Why you look so? Oh, you must be tired. Oh God,
Babe.
man. Them a work you do?
Last night the boss told me so me have to do overtime. They not even paying me as much to do it.
You know, so do me feel say you need to find one next job? Cause you now get to spend enough time with me. I'm right now, I feel like I'm ready for your baby.
Yeah, but babes, come on, we're not ready for no baby yet, but you know about no breakfast. I'm hungry now, man. I want to work me do last night.
I know see you never dare go come home early, you know. So I never bother look on the breakfast. I just cook dinner, rice and peas and something there around this for you. You want me to go hit you up for you? Alright.
say I know me can't believe say I'm carried there. Shh, what? What's that?
Where is she for? You don't tell me that already. Still news that. You think
Ah, I think I only do tell tell. Sorry.
Think of me alone, you tell. She look good still, you know. So it's a good look, you see me?
What do you
you
mean,
come
man?
go
But-
from
but-
my yard, you say,
Alright, so I go back to do.
You have to for deal with, man.
Alright, mash up a crime, yeah, mama. Yo, I feel me little bird that, you know. And me a plucky feather.
Where you tell me, say? Where you do forget all that girl then?
I just the talk and the swag, brother. It's style, isn't it? You have to understand how you go. When you come on to woman world, you have to know if you angle it.
When we grow up, more be just like you.
After you go, man, but top put the S for my name, man. Popeye.
For Popeye.
Yeah,
Popeye.
yeah. I
Oh.
Popeye.
Oh, man, that's nice.
Yeah, man.
You know, say me I go down and me I go pick up something though.
Alright, don't say nothing, cause me there, I go see if I find one next bird. Come here, hold it for them, you know.
Man, you fly with one here.
Clear, man, you all a dash your money and phone. You know what, you
What's
get
that?
panic.
No, man, more I'm silver them, man. Where you talk, say?
Look at time, man, you say me have a little bird that go and they say nervous. See phone, man.
You're good, man. My phone drop out.
I tell you. Yeah, man. Alright, do roads.
I say, what? Sexy Kerry.
Oh, go on.
See, I thought so like, you know, when somebody I got park and them something there.
No, man, me ever at.
So you don't know, say, still want you.
You don't know, so me have a security man already.
I'm not talk about no man right now. You me I talk about no man.
Hello, remember say I only grow my family a little bit, you know?
Where you going, sir? I me a beer things boy, you know.
You're beer things about
I
me?
mean, me say, a papa, I am papa. A papa, me say I run it off. You not even when all the man are dead. Me everything, it's stinking in the street.
Oh, what you really said to me? Me
Yeah,
and Popeye?
I mean, if
Me?
you, no, you think I joke me, I make?
Of course, I have to joke this.
Papa is telling me, say, him sleep over with you. Papa is telling me everything.
Hello, Popeye broken key. That's how I end up sleep over my yard.
Nothing like that, me the right out there to stand up. I drink out my local juice and Papa is come and tell me everything. Me say, where you do run? I say, man say, him sleep over with you. And look after that, we go on and Ray.
A lie, tell. Popeye could have never tell you that.
Me first said, look, your Papa is just a coming at things now.
Anyways, come, we are going to the yard right now. Come.
you're still there.
What do you mean, man? There I go on reason.
So where you going?
There, one juta get up and gone when gone and I and do it.
So you going, man.
I never yet see you that man. You know, say me and you for there. Trust me.
Me
Yeah.
and you.
What you mean?
You remember when I tell lie on me? See, you get my front and you don't get nothing. You never see if me a man or a woman yet.
Come on, Ashley, B, man. In the days they were young, when we were pitney days, man. Man, a big man now, you know, man. No run them joke, them, man.
Said style in you.
No, I will never do that, man. Me a man of murder now, you have more so. Give me a chance in your life, man. You are going
Yeah, which chance and I don't chance, yes, sir.
Done. You have more so, man. Go on, Kerry.
Oh, me hear you talk about some me there.
Who said that?
You said so, Juta tell me.
You tell me, tell you that?
You, not do me that, man. You tell me say you and the girl there.
When? How?
You
I
think
two
in a
back that
whole
long
place.
amount.
Let's
You
chat
tell
too
her
much,
that?
man.
Of course, it's stinking in a whole place.
Is it to lie? The one on, two on, liar.
Popeye, stop. Because me know say you're a liar and so much people not tell lie upon you.
And lie never tell family, then grudge me and bad mind me.
You tell me say, you tell me say I should be a year bird. Are you a pick or feather? You lie, man.
Me tell her me I pluck the big yellow bird. Oh God, man, come on, sister. You see, say I liar now.
Stop it. You're a liar for true. A long time I know say I say stay. And you chat boy you change. You ever see color of my panty?
No. Me never pick your feather. Me don't know what kind of feather you have, so me couldn't pick it. And care, me really and truly sorry for telling to me how you did. You know what wish I said to you in my sleep. So, me learn a lesson today as a big man. Don't tell lie palm front because they will come back for you.
You know what? As from today you see me, no deal with me.
So you are Moses, she could be.
You don't know, say. Me done in there too. Come here and share. Come here, go look here now. Yeah?
You see how you rasta?
Down with you.
You see
You
how
don't
you...
want to hear what you
You
have.
come back and me half in the poker. You don't want to one.
No, there, yeah.
Lie to. Hold on, mo. Me don't feel lie.
B,
Huh?
come lie down beside me now.
I'm so coming in bed, man.
But you move stuff and you come here and move away. Come off your phone, man. Phone more important more than me now.
I'm so coming in bed. That's something I deal with. I say, 2 hours in the house.
Almost every night you go out.
I
And
know-
now you come here and I have no time now. You come here on your phone.
I know say my phone me use and work. Hold on, let me get one call. Yo. Yeah, night, yeah. Yeah, man, then anything, man. Me there in a few. Me a forward now, man. Alright. So me I tell you, one more work that night, yeah.
Every night you have work.
There's a them type of work I do, either night or day.
You can't find some time for me.
How me I go make money?
So wait there. And when you have forward back, make sure you call me when you reach.
Me nah come back tonight, you know.
So that doesn't mean when you reach you call me.
Nah, morning me I come back. Yeah, man, no worry yourself.
It's glad to you not go work tonight, you know.
Glad to, man, because I'm tired, you know.
You can't see it, man.
Babes, you think I'm normal something for me take up myself, good self, going to work, and I have to write down license plate and this and that. You know what, I wish we could have do something else, like, just do something else or have my own business. Have my own business or something.
You want to do something else? Come make a baby now.
You play too much, man. You know, so we're not ready for no baby, so don't bother with foolishness.
But babes, remember, so we're married, you know, we're married.
Yes.
So, and then if we have a baby.
Yes, we're married. Yes, I'm in love you. You're a very beautiful wife. But baby right now is not it. We need to get out of here and build one little tiny house. I think we need to go tiny house settings and all.
Babes, another thing. You know, so I don't like the fact that now we're not wearing.
Care.
Yes.
From the first day we married, we have an agreement so we now wear no ring. So no bother come with that. You no bother with it.
But I want to show off some I'm married. I want a ring on my finger.
You want to show off say you're married?
Yeah.
See boss will call me. Yeah, boss.
Yeah, you can't call lick me now.
You want me to do what?
You can't lick me, I wait for you. Stop here, so.
Boss, me can't come in tonight, man. My grandmother have heart attack. Me can't come in tonight.
I wait. Alright.
Can't manage your work business, you know. See me all have to tell a lie, boy. You look nice in your black dress, though.
Next time I tell you, say you need to get one next work.
One day, babes. But you know, say boss, say, he might put on one extra $30,000 for me pay. Yeah. Because one celebrity are coming tonight, so they want extra, and they know say me are the man for the job. You see me? And me run after, me know the grounds, me know the root of the grass. You see me?
I never want you to go still now. But go on, cause we need the money. So, be safe, you know?
I'm just, you sure about that?
Yeah, go on.
I'm just getting in the mood for you, you know?
Babes, come on for me and go on, cause we need the money.
Alright, babes, don't worry yourself. That's why, this is why I'm married, you know, because you're very understanding and you know the assignment. See? I never really want to go still, but You see my shoes?
No. Wait, you take it off.
Yeah, you see my belt?
Your belt in the hall.
My shoes are on.
Yeah, they're in there, so too.
Alright. Alright, I'll see you in the morning, alright? I'll see you tomorrow, baby.
Alright, bye. Love you.
Love you too, baby.
Hey. You have to go stop doing this, you know. You know what I do?
What are you talking about?
I mean, people can't sue you, anybody can't sue you or watch you and then something there.
Babes, you worry about the wrong things, man. I'm security, you know. I'm responsible for everybody around here, so. You see me? So I'm a very respectable man too. So come on. I'll start left earlier still. A little bit earlier. But don't worry yourself, man. Don't make nobody draw no scene. I'm gonna put on clothes.
Hurry up and go, hurry up and I remember something you promised me so when I get paid.
Babe, stop reminding me about that, man. You go get it. Stop reminding
Make sure
me.
I get it, me and
Put on clothes, man. What you want me to do? Go put on clothes.
Carry something come.
Alright.
Shaka! Shaka Berry!
Oh yeah, come, so how happen?
Oh, you move, so.
How me I move?
You don't see how you move. I see you with the Dan a while ago.
Which Dan?
No must see security.
Security.
The people them husband. We see you. I hug up and I quitch up. And look how me I beg you how long. And you go on so you say me not get none today. Me a chat. The same day me a chat.
Well, here one, you can't go and go chat if you want to chat. Because first thing, nobody not believe you. Because everybody don't know so you're rob and lied already. You tell lie pan, man, dog, pussy, everybody you tell lie pan. So nobody not believe you. So go and go chat.
I tell them me know the whole community I go know. Me a liar, nobody not believe me.
You want one mic?
Me no want no mic, no worry your head.
Go and your business.
I don't know, but I go to church and I take people husband. You got married.
I beg you, me not take you too.
Yes, me begs coming and get none of honey.
This is honey you bitter, you not gonna like it. Go and your business.
Bitter, you have a right if you say bitter. People are going to have it, say me a pum fever till they wait.
Nah, follow you up, you know.
Morning, honey. You alright?
Yeah.
Tired, man. I'll cool off and all that fresh and go and sleep here.
So you don't want nothing to eat?
I don't feel for nothing to eat.
Alright, babes, go and go lie down, yeah?
Alright.
Hello.
You see me left my driver's license up there?
What you say?
You see me left my driver's license up there? Look on the bed or something. I can't find my driver's license.
What you mean by you can't find your license?
If I see you, just take up it from here.
Alright. Me have to go hurry up, go down go look if me see.
Alright. Yo, me saying, man. Can't be saying money are so miserable. Yo, me call you later here.
Hear me out. Me know say yes with friendship done, but hear me out. You wanna say me a liar, right? Me are the biggest liar in the area. But you see the man who you love so much, him are one of the wickedest one you see. Him a give away your cane to the slimmers up so.
What you mean cane and slimmers? What you talk about?
Me say, out of Jutta house, me see him a come from. With Jutta wife and Jutta, no did it?
I lie, yeah, tell me, no, my husband, he work hard. And he soon coming from
Work hard? You mean work hard for Jutta wife?
Me know say because you want me and me no want you, make you account tell lie for my husband. Boy, you want to mash up my marriage. Come out of my face, man.
Your marriage name mash up already, your marriage sink.
Lie, tell. Come out of my face and then lie yourself. You lie like.
Alright, tell them not believe.
What is someone that likes not doing it?
What's your babes? I never know see you come already.
So you did it?
After I go check one of my friend them.
So yeah, like you're tired.
I chose sun hat and I wear around so I walk go.
Oh,
But cut off of that, I have good news to tell you.
you have something to tell me. I have something to tell you too. But tell me good news first.
Well, you know so I'm pregnant?
You're pregnant.
Yeah.
You're pregnant.
You're not happy?
Me never did tell you, you know. But you know, say, me can't breed nobody. Because me have low sperm count. My sperm count low.
What you mean you have low sperm count? So who breed me then?
That more I know. Because more I know where female lights not doing in my bed. Where female lights not doing in my bed. Cover up under my sheet.
We are asking say, me don't know how to know that.
Me and this man in a par like that female lights in my bed.
Well, me don't know about that.
I suck more I know now. This more I know now.
When if I broke in away house?
Broke in our house.
Well, me don't know about that. How me know about that? Me don't know.
Not go no further. Because I see it clearly now. See a idiot you take me for. You are breed for Kerem husband.
What? We
So
are
you know,
talk about?
I mean, so you know what we are going to do. We are going to them yard.
We are going to people them go yard go do. We are polished out.
Just not say nothing, you know. Because I see, me don't want to go back to jail. And me don't want to affiliate no woman. You hear me say?
But me don't know where you are talk about. Me don't know how you reach it.
We are go down there, go polish it off.
You want to go down there? Me don't go down there people them here.
No, it's so clear. You show me clearly say you are the man in or something then.
No.
So come, we go polish it out then. Come, put on the shoes. Come. Me want to go. Come. This unsolved problem. This forward. Come on, man.
Me a come.
Can't believe all them things you do. You do, me star. Come like a flap. You want to flap up, man, star. Laugh. You want people to laugh off me in the community.
What you mean more people to laugh after
What do you mean? Then if you go do certain things.
But me don't tell us. Me don't know what you talk about already.
Come go on. Cause yo, sometimes I can't even know. I don't like talking to you. Come I like get miserable, you know.
You don't know where you going so far, because I don't tell us something already. So where you going so?
Embarrass you, I embarrass yourself.
Yeah, embarrass me. See, I spooling up on the road there.
Yo, care. You know, say your husband I'm woman there, you know.
What you mean by your wife and my husband then?
What you mean by?
What you talk say?
Me come see your husband lie in my bed. Who this?
What?
Who this?
How
Me
like
see-
you reach in your bed?
Cover up in my bed like him run off my place. Then you hear say him pregnant off my wife.
What you just say?
I mean, hold this man. Your husband had breed on my woman. Yo, no.
That with the bag of
No,
excitement.
me deal with that man. Ease on yourself. Ease yourself. Me deal with that man. You
Hey.
hear me say? Just go into your husband. You hear me say? Go on into your husband. Man.
Watch
Come.
me and him.
Come in, man.
You see how you come, my girl, you come cause excitement and me don't tell us me don't know what you talk about already. And girl, I come talk if you ever make the room to touch me and see.
So you go on. So you know, just come take out your clothes, man. Just come go on.
Me not go nowhere no.
Just come. Just come take out your
Me
clothes.
not go nowhere no. You know what you talk about.
Yo, get up. Get up.
Babes, why is this attitude? What is attitude for?
I can't believe say a true papa idea tell. See, they just carry ID. Come me out to do a fight like a maga girl over you. Get up, man. Yo, no tell me say you really go sleep with Jutta woman. You breed the girl. And make me out there so sweat up myself a fight girl over you.
What are you talking about?
Height of disrespect. They ain't carry license come give me?
Babe,
What?
I know say I lost my license. And I lie them a tell for me. I know say I left my license, I lost my license because I sleep, I say I sleep and then I go walk go look for you. Because I'm tired. And you come in here with this, babes. Look for me. You really think so I go make nobody a road laugh off of you?
And I lie them a tell because your papa ID can't tell me. No lie them a
Popeye?
yes. You need to get your things and come out of my house.
Babes,
Hello,
you really,
come out of my house.
You really are going to make people.
And you mash up your marriage.
Babes,
You should
for
have
one,
think about what you do
listen,
before you
for
go do
one,
what you do.
Babes, listen to me now. Listen to me.
No,
listen
no,
to me.
no.
Listen to me.
Hello,
Listen, babes.
hello, hello.
Listen.
Listen.
You can't listen to Papa. You can't listen to Papa. Papa is a mad.
So how you like to reach up a girl yard?
Babes, me license, me don't know how that reaches.
In a big man bed the license did there.
You know what? Just give me my license. If you want to believe them over me, just pack me things and put them on one taxi and send them up a mother. Because me can't go.
Come out, man.
Me a big man.
Height of disrespect. Boy, you have woman asleep with and God get woman pregnant. And look how long me a beg for your baby. Come out of my house, man. Sure.
Wow, go on, my general. PUM, boy, look like in there. How things?
Yeah, I'm there, I go and hold it, man. So I go on with you a long time in the same place. Where did that?
We do a like a two-week tour of Amsterdam because, you know, you have to do road, you know, a music thing.
You go up on tour and everywhere locked down.
Bush part locked
Tour
down?
them locked down.
Nah, man, at Jamaica alone up on lockdown, brother. You know what I mean? Do my thing and they are now going easy, you know, because the road have to burn up. But based on how you look, brother, warm to you. Because I know send so. I know your vibes this and your energy this and.
You say right. I'm there in a stressful situation, you know. You see me? You don't know what say. Care man. I'm my woman there. Man, I'll breed her, my lad.
I hold a seat for that one. Brother, what you say I want? What you really say I want?
First thing, I come to see man license in my bed. So I carry her go down there and make one bag of excitement, be a disgrace on the road. You see me? That, yo, this man, I put her out, man. She not in there again. I put her out this morning. And they are so stressed out now, you.
Papa, I mean, you are going to come into my be a mix up, man.
Yes, everything is to me a liar, no matter what me talk.
Hey, you may look fine now?
You don't
Boy,
call me liar.
I'm sorry, so I never believe you, you know.
So what happened now?
Hey, I find out say the truth you there tell.
How you find out?
Just come down to my yard with my husband license in their hand, him and his woman.
So where you find the husband ID?
Now in bed, look like my husband and film woman in a bed of saga.
All along me
But
things
boy-
are in the bathroom.
Boy, I'm sorry, so I never believe you, know. Even though you lie, because you tell lie for me something.
Alright, I'm sorry too, cause I shouldn't tell lie for you something. I'm sorry about that. You know what? The best thing ever happened to me, we change. Because I realize that nobody now gonna believe the truth when time we talk the truth. Cause see, so what happened, we can't tell her the truth. I didn't believe, so I'm sorry.
Alright, you know, I forgive you. But where you today?
It's probably down my yard, come go look for him.
Alright, forward.
Yo, know yourself, man. You see what happened to man, happened to men. You understand? Yeah. I just
Yo,
want
what
to
go on? You know, so I'm sorry about what happened. Because while we are friends, we nothing live so. Half my husband breed for your woman.
Yo, everything good, man. You alright, man. I'm good, you see me? You don't know a certain life run, things do happen, you see me? And we are friends for real, you see? You know, if you're there with one other people and them something. But I'm good, man. Everything alright still, you see? Yeah, man.
See, your papa apologize to me, you know?
Yeah man, you know, but I should not believe me still. Now you see me a liar. Me say, are you first me want to come tell. But when me tell Karen don't believe me, say, why should I go to Jutta? You not gonna believe me. And you know, security always armed, that's why I rush him. No worry, we are all friends and the lighting and everything done. Right, I say put on right. So can you say I'm a landlord? I pay my landlord now, you know. I don't hide from him again. So that's why I don't see me turn up in the walk me, you know. I don't have to hide. I can go back and run taxi again.